Are you ready to live life in the miracle zone, attracting more and more miracles into your life? Today's tapping is all about doing that. You know, you get what you focus on, don't you? You get what you believe. So whatever you believe and whatever you focus on actually manifests. Whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. That was Napoleon Hill. So when you actually believe in miracles, when you expect miracles, you attract more miracles. So let's start by tapping on the inside of the eye. I choose to live in the miracle zone. I expect miracles every day. I see miracles everywhere. I know I'm attracting miracles every day. Miracles happen to me all the time. I know that I'm a miracle. I know that my life is a miracle. I know there are miracles unfolding for me every day. I choose to live in the miracle zone. I choose to attract more and more miracles. Every day, in every way, I am attracting more miracles. I choose to create more miracles. I choose to know I am a miracle maker. I choose to attract more and more miracles every day. I choose to know as I focus and believe in miracles, more and more miracles unfold. I choose to live in the miracle zone. I am a miracle. My life is a miracle. I choose to live in the miracle zone. I expect miracles. I attract miracles. I believe in miracles. I choose to live in the miracle zone. Miracles are a natural part of my daily life. I see miracles everywhere. I choose to live in the miracle zone. I'm amazed by the miracles that happen to me every day. My life is filled with miracles because I choose to live in the miracle zone. I am shocked and amazed by the amount of miracles in my life because I choose to live in the miracle zone. Okay, deep breath. Let it out. Another deep breath. Let it out. Okay, I want you to start paying attention because you will be amazed. There are miracles happening all the time. This planet is a miracle. You are a miracle. Like if you even think about how you were conceived to be able to become an embryo and grow in your mother's womb and then be born, and the miracles that are happening in nature all the time. Life is so full of miracles, and once you start to see them, you can't unsee them. Once you start to recognize them, you will see more and more and more. And it's like, whoa, wait a minute. How did I miss all these miracles that are happening all the time? And then you see more miracles because that is living in the miracle zone. Everything is a miracle. Everything is a miracle. And once you start to see them and expect them because they become a normal part of your everyday life, you will be amazed at the magic and the miracles that will unfold for you because that is where your attention and your focus is. And you're expecting miracles. Okay? So if you have enjoyed this, if this has made you feel good, then do me a favor and return the favor. Comment below, like and subscribe. And you know, when you subscribe and you hit the notification bell, I go live a couple of times a week. I'm actually doing live tap and talk videos. And what we do is we sit down and we talk about a particular subject. You can ask me questions if you wish. And we tap. We just tap the whole time. It calms the central nervous system. It's incredibly powerful. So remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm going to go live next, and join me live. Check out any of the other videos on my YouTube channel. There's another EFT tapping video right here that's actually going to help you to rewire your brain for money, wealth, abundance, and success. It's an absolute game changer. You can watch that video next.